Okay, let's talk about our new project. Actually, this is, you know, client bike. So, client find me over the Facebook and bring this beauty here. It's I believe 95 FZX 750. So not 700 as mine is. I already started to do a lot of jobs on it, and you probably see this bike in the background on my other videos, but now it's time to, I would say, just give him a little love. So we have a couple of things that we want to do. First thing first, we sync the carbs first, and you cannot believe, this client was in 2 workshops with this bike, and he doesn't, put some issue on if money needs to be spent, let's do it. And I get this bike with totally unsynced carbs. So no one took time and effort to sync the carbs. So we sync the carbs and bike runs much nicer than it was. And we test compressions, and it's like really good, It have really nice compression. So it's a keeper. As my client said, it's a keeper. So, but we have a couple of issues. First, you see this stuff, I don't know what happened here. We order the second-hand new one. It doesn't have central stand. We ordered the central stand also. And we order one more thing, but I cannot remember what. Okay, I will remember. Oh yes, tachometer doesn't work. So these are really the bad spot for these bikes. They are really often don't work. Stop working some moment, and it's go only up to 3000 RPMs and then stop, and don't want to go any higher. And I don't know, can I fix it, And this was really sweet deal that the guy from UK gave us on this, so we took the chance and took the second-hand new one for that. These carburetors are not in nice shape, so I think we will remove the carburetors and check them. And we want to check valves. On the front end we have leaking rubbers on forks, so we will rebuild both forks. We will see, do we need bushings to be changed there. As for braking system, everything is really nice, so disc is really in nice shape. Pads also will just clean everything, change the fluids. You see this, we don't want this color. On your brakes, we'll change of course for the rear one too. You will see my video about flushing the coolant system. I already flushed it a couple of times. It was really bad, and yeah, we are counting some problems because this bike was painted. It was actually like restored, and paint job is really bad, and my client is aware of that. And they put really thick coat, so the holes for the spark plugs are just a bit narrower, so I need to, you know, brush my tool for spark plugs a millimeter or so I can put them in and put out the spark plugs. The spark plugs are supposedly new ones, but on all of them I find out that they are not in spec as for the gap on the spark plugs, so I put now 0.9 gap as was recommended by manufacturer of the spark plug, Denso. So yeah, you know, it's have a really nice inside of the tank, so that's really good because they often have problems in the tank. So main thing is the carbs and the valves, and we need to finish this, you know, as my garage is now full and I want to continue work on the Goldwing. So we will be, let's say, quick about it. We changed the it has aftermarket handlebar, so you know, more wider one, like street race style, and we just tilted a little bit because client wanted that it faced to him a little bit more, so they were all the way, you know, out, so we moved them a little bit, and they have some ridiculous handlebars, and now we put this aftermarket ones on it. Clutch master cylinder is repaired by the shop not long ago, and these rubbers are, you know, very hard to put on the carburetors, so I will try to soften them with wintergreen. You will see that process. I will make video about it because it's really great. If not, we will put the sleeves, silicone sleeves, as we did on my bike, and I will make video about that if we do that. So I checked the air filter. It was, I don't know, nobody in that shop that was before me bothered to check it, as we missed 2 screws here on it. We missed the gasket on it. The air filter itself is shit, so you know, we need to take care of the air filter. It's really important, you know, that you have that gasket, that you don't pass any more air in the system. Although by the look of the spark plugs, I think the mixture was nice. We'll see, you know. I don't know, we'll get something from it, but I need to go over it. I don't want to skip some steps while doing bike, especially, you know, on the client bike. I want to check bearings, but that we will check after the central stand is here. You know, we miss screw here. I don't know why. So we'll replace that. So yeah, a lot of missing bits I find it on the bike. Paint job is all different thing, but mechanically I think this bike have a lot of life and a lot of fun for my client in it. As for the channel, I'm not going to record everything that I do on it, but when I see that something is interesting and I want to show you, I will make video about it. That's it. But yeah, look, my garage with 2 FZX Really nice. See you guys.